guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, Naturally Sade. So as you can see, there's a special guest here, a stranger to the channel. This is my sister.
Hi guys, I'm Serena. Serena the queen, okay? You feel me?
Today, I'm actually going to be doing my sister's hair for the first time on my channel. I have done her hair before, and I don't know why we haven't done this sooner.
She doesn't like to do my hair. That's what it is.
The real reason is that Serena is just so busy and she doesn't have time for me.
She had to bring it back to me. That was
right. It's her fault that she hasn't been on here.
But we're here now.
Yeah, we're here now, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. I don't even know what we're doing with your hair.
Yeah, she doesn't. I'm just here for the ride. I'll rock whatever she does.
I just told her to wash her hair and detangle it, and I guess we're gonna go from there.
Yes.
And I'm gonna be working with your hair products.
Cool.
Okay, so I think we're gonna do some kind of side design.
Yeah.
Probably on this side.
Okay.
Let's get into that.
So I'm starting off by just sectioning this little portion that I'm gonna be working with. Now I'm just gonna be making 3 little triangle parts. And I'm just gonna go ahead and twist up those other 2 sections and put them away. So now I'm just dampening up that small section and detangling her hair a little bit more. Just adding a little Cantu curl activator cream and detangling once more. Now I'm just gonna twist up that section into a bantu knot. And then I'm just gonna repeat the exact same process on the other 2 small sections. Now I just gotta get these edges looking right. Now I'm taking that same Cantu curl activator cream and adding it to the remainder of her hair section by section for added moisture and definition. And here's the final look.
So this is the finished look. 3 bantu knots in like little triangle parts, and do just kind of like that little half and half the rest of it down and out.
Yes. I'm flexing.
Out here flexing. What do you think about it?
I really love it. I'm about to go out and slay. And my name is not Serena today, it's Chanel. Come at me correct, because I'm looking like a bad busy.
Yeah, so that's it. You've come to the end of the video. Let me know what you think about this.
Yes, please let us know.
Is it cute or not? Are you gonna try this or not? If you enjoyed watching this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. And while you're there, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you want to see more from me. Let me know what you thought about having my sister Serena on my channel. If we should do more videos together, maybe a Q&A or something like that. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.